Got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on me.
For this technique, I'm using a Inkless pen. It's just a pen that ran out of ink and doesn't work anymore. I'm drawing diagonal lines with enough pressure to give texture without damaging the paper. And of course, you can help yourself with a ruler. I'm using a 180 grams opaline paper, but you can always use standard office paper. Then I'm just gonna add some color and shadows with a light cerulean blue. Here, I'm adding a pleat so you can see the texture in real clothes. I'm gonna add some shadows to my pleat in order to give it more dimension. For this second technique, I'm gonna add some color with a Dutch blue CHARTPACK marker, and then I'm gonna repeat the process of drawing diagonal lines with the Inkless pen. Now, I'm gonna add some shadows with a darker blue colored pencil. I'm using blue indigo, and also I'm gonna do the pleat for you can imagine the real effect in clothes. Also at the end, you can help yourself with a white colored pencil to give light effects. For this third technique, I also added some color with a Dutch blue CHARTPACK marker, and then I'm gonna do diagonal lines with a SAKURA jelly roll pen in white color. I'm following the dimensions of the pleat while doing the lines in order to give a more realistic effect. If you don't want to do the pleats, it's okay. Once the white ink is completely dry, I'm gonna add another layer of a Dutch blue marker, and finally you can always add lights and shadows using the colored pencils. Now I'm gonna do the technique using a CHARTPACK Ice Blue as my first step. Then I'll add the diagonal lines and finish with some shadows using a blue indigo colored pencil. I'm also doing the pleat for a more realistic effect. You could also do the technique using first a Dutch blue marker and adding some details with a light cerulean blue colored pencil if you want a more natural and less dramatic effect. You could also use this technique to represent different denim colors or even a gabardine fabric. For this example, I'm using a desert tan CHARTPACK marker and a dark brown colored pencil. Hey guys, so right now I'm just gonna apply these effects on a fashion illustration. Here I made something like a corset mini dress. I'll begin drawing my diagonal lines, but I'm gonna do them each panel separately and also in different directions for a more realistic effect. Once I'm done with the lines, I'm gonna add some shadows with the colored pencils, but I'm also doing each panel separately for more realism and drama. I like it this way, but I will show you guys another effect if you really want it to look more natural. I'm gonna add some navy blue color with a marker and give a little bit of shine with a Prismacolor white pencil. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do more tutorial for you illustrating different fabrics. Also, don't forget you can always modify the technique and use different materials. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.